Good morning, students. Today we will learn a new poem, If I Knew. Okay, it is very interesting poem. It is very nice poem. This boy wants happy faces all around the world. Okay, he wants all the people, all the children to be happy. Okay, and he wants to take all the sadness from people. So this is about him. He wants to give happiness to all the people and take sadness from all the people. Okay, so it is very nice poem. Let's read this poem. If I knew the box. Okay, he wants to know the box. Which box? Where the smiles were kept. Okay, जहाँ पूरे smiles रखे थे. No matter how large the key. Okay, no matter how large the key or strong the bolt, I would try so hard. I would open, I know for me. He is saying that whatever is strong the bolt, whatever it is trying, it is hard to open. But I would open. Okay, I know if you don't believe, no problem. But I believe that I would open it. Then over the land and sea broadcast. Then I will go and scatter all over the land and sea. Okay, so that all the creatures in the land, all the creatures in sea, all were happy. Okay, I'll scatter the smiles to play. He also wants to scatter smiles to play. Okay, that the children faces might hold them fast. He wants to give this happiness to children's for many a many day. Okay, he wants to give happiness to children for many days. If I knew a box that was large enough to hold all the frowns I meet. Okay, he's saying if I know that box could hold all the frowns, means all the sadness, then what he would do? He would gather all the sadness of the world from nursery. Nursery means from hospital, from school, and the streets. Streets where beggars are there. Okay, from beggar, from schools, from hospitals, all the sadness he would take and hold them fast. Okay, means he would pack them, the sadness, in one box and turn the monster key, and he would log using this monster key and hire a giant. He would hire a big person, okay, very big person, to drop this box to the depth of the deep sea. He is saying that if I knew that where all the box that could hold all the sadness in the world, so he would hire a big giant and he would throw it in deep sea so that it could never reach any person. Okay, so he wants to give all the happiness to people, to sea and inland, and from here he wants to take all the sadness from the creature. Okay, bolt, students, bolt means bar used to fasten door and gates. Scatter means spread. Okay, बिखरा देना, scatter. Frown means sadness. Okay, means anger. Monster means a devil. Okay, means devil key. And giant means he would hire a big creature. So let's see that. Let's see here. Okay, let's start from beginning.
If I knew the box where the smiles were kept, no matter how large the key or strong the bolt, I would try so hard to open, I know for me.
Okay, this is bolt. This is bolt.
Broadcast, I'd scatter the smiles to play, that the children's faces might hold them fast for many and many a day. If I knew a box that was large enough to hold all the frowns I meet, I would gather them every one from nursery, school and street. Then folding and holding, I'd pack them in and turn the monster key and hire a giant to drop the box in the depths of the deep, deep sea.
Enid Blyton.
Okay. So students, I hope you have understood. So this true or false you do, it is very easy, and I am here explaining you question answers. What did the poet want to open? Okay, the poet wanted to open the box of smiles. Why did the poet want to scatter the smiles? The poet wanted to scatter the smiles over the land and the sea. Okay. What did the poet want to pack in the bags? The poet wanted to pack all the frown, all the angerness, all the sadness in a box. Where did the poet want to throw the box of frowns? The poet wanted to throw the box of frown into the deep, deep sea. Okay. How do you feel when you see smiles all around? I feel happy when I see smiles all around. Okay. Next is students, this missing letters you have to do. You can do from here. You can see bolt, scatter, frown, monster, giant. Here you can see here monster, giant. This is a place for very young children, nursery. Then frown and this bolt. Okay, and here rhyming words. What is the rhyming word for key? It is TB. One sun. Then frown, brown, drown. Then play, tray, way. Box ka fox, pox. Okay, these are called rhyming words. Okay, poets use this like this. You can see kept, key, hard, broadcast, play, day. You know, see, play, day. They use like this. Meet, street, key, C. You know, key, for key there is also C. Okay, you can write C here also. Now here all this faces, what these faces denotes, we have to explain. So this is serious, she is serious, she is fearful, she is frown. Okay, where is pain? So students, she is frown. Next, she is sad, she is happy, and she is angry. Now students, speak to the class about all the things makes you smile and things that makes you frown. Okay students, so in YouTube comment what makes you happy, what makes your face smile, and what makes you angry. You must comment in comment box what makes you happy and what makes you sad. It will be very interesting to know. Okay students, see you next time.